I'm working on the puff stitch, and the yellow thread indicates where the magic circle is, and the white thread is the puff stitch. The white puff stitch is a medium size stitch. It's not going to be as thick as the popcorn stitch. And the way that you begin this is you're going to chain one, and that chain one is going to indicate the height, but it's not going to count as the first stitch. And you're going to be creating the puff stitch in between the posts. My fingers here and where my thumbs are indicate what a post, where the post is. So each puff stitch is going to be in between a post. Here's another post. Okay, and so I've already done a few of these so far, and so I had chained one and I did the puff stitch, and at the end of the puff stitch you're going to secure it by chaining one, and then you do a second chain before you begin the following puff stitch. So I'm going to do a few here as example. Yarn over, and you put the hook in the post, and you pull through in between the post, and you want to pull your white thread up a little bit to create height, and you're going to do this 3 times. So right now we have 3 loops on the hook, and we're going to do this again until we have 7 loops total on the hook. Okay, now we have 7 loops on the hook, and then we are going to yarn over, we're going to pull through, and we want our hook to be in the down position, like how I have it, so it can pull through easily. And then we are going to secure it, and then we're going to chain one. I am working with a hook size of 5.00 mm, which is I/9. We're going to repeat. We're going to repeat between each post for the whole entire round. And then when we get to the end of the round, which is right here, we're going to look for our original chain of 1, and we're going to do a slip stitch, and then we're going to cut the yarn to do a new color, which is for the granny square. Because right now we're crocheting in the circle, but we want to end it with a square. So we're going to wrap the yarn over the hook. I'm working with a medium size 4 yarn. 1, 2, and 3. We'll secure it, and we're going to chain 1. I'll do one more. Wrap. Find your post, the hole in between the posts. pull through at our height, adjust it. We have done it one time with 3 loops on the hook. 2 and 3. And that is how you make a puff stitch in the round, working with a granny square. And if you're enjoying my music, this is from my other channel, which is called Tiffany Juliet. Thank you for watching.